And welcome back. Well, it was another hot one across the area today. This is right near Highway 16th in Laurel today, earlier this afternoon. And yeah, as you notice there, we do have some clouds across the viewing area. We still have some clouds at this hour. Visible satellite, I want you to check this out. This is beautiful. So, of course, here we go. Once this loop comes back around, it's going to start earlier today. And you're not going to see a lot of clouds. And you can see clouds start to form from the south. They go back up to the north, and they just fill in these little cloud streets, almost as we like to call them. It's just beautiful. Really cool to see that happening. You can see down, it starts down to the south because there's a higher moisture content, so it's easier for the air to be lifted. Of course, it gets pushed up during peak heating. Of course, that's just whenever you have the basically the hottest temperatures. And you can see all the clouds start to form, and yeah, showers and thunderstorms up in the northern portions of Alabama. We really aren't talking too much about that. We have a few spotty showers. That's really been about it, though, today. Temperatures, lower 90s, 93 degrees here in Hattiesburg. 70 degrees was our low this morning, so near average for those lows, although those highs are still warm. They're going to remain warm for the time being right now. Lows for tonight will still be, once again, near 70 degrees. Winds out of the north, 5-10 miles per hour. Kind of feels like I'm just repeating myself with words like hot, and the heat stays with us over the past week or so, and I pretty much am, because we've been stuck under the influence of that high pressure system that just really hasn't moved at all. It's going to take some time before it does as well. So tomorrow, another hot day. Temperatures once again in the mid-90s. Winds still out of the northeast. You know the drill. Mostly sunny and warm overall. Heat index values between 100 to 105 degrees. So we don't expect to see any heat advisories. Just going to be another day. You need to stay hydrated because it's going to be hot outside. Here are the few little scattered showers, and I do mean very scattered showers that we've seen over the past 3 hours. A few up near Meridian, a few here near Hattiesburg. Really haven't picked up anything. Maybe a trace of precipitation, mainly to the south and to the west of the city. And that has been all that she wrote. As we've gone throughout the overnight hours, we clear on out if you did have any clouds overhead. Most of us really don't at this point. And once we go through your Thursday, a little bit of a drier air mass kind of moves on in, so we're not expecting any shower activity. Again, we can't rule out a few pop-up showers, but that would really be about it. All right, so this is another look. We can see where our northerly winds are coming from. So we actually have a little bit of a low pressure just to the west of the west coast of Florida right now. You can see we're on the northwestern side of that, so we get kind of this northeasterly flow from it. You can see this little edge right here is where those showers and storms fired along up in Alabama. What we're also talking about still is that tropical disturbance near Puerto Rico and the Bahamas has about a 40% chance over the next couple days to form into a tropical depression, about a 60% chance over the next 5 days. Still, we expect it to move across the southern tip of Florida, and then later this weekend, somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico, develop again into a tropical depression. Now, models have kind of slowed it up a little bit, pushed a little bit further to the east. There's still a lot of interactions that models aren't picking up great on, like that low pressure. And so we've kind of pushed the majority of the rain off to our east. We still could pick up maybe 1 inch to 2 inches, and of course that is going to change over the next even 24 hours. So we'll keep you up to date on that. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Temperatures throughout the rest of your work week far above average in the mid-90s. Probably getting to lower 90s for Saturday. And as we go into Sunday, that's when that disturbance would arrive with that chance for showers and thunderstorms. We keep a slight chance really on and off through Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And Monday and Tuesday, temperatures should be right near average.